Hi friends, it's JJ here to share a really important winter safety tip with you today. When it gets chilly outside, space heaters can help keep you warm inside, but only when we use them safely. Always keep your space heater at least 3 feet away from anything that can burn. And be sure to plug it directly into the wall outlet, never into a power strip or an extension cord. Make sure your space heater sits on a flat, level surface with plenty of airflow, and be sure to turn it off when you leave the room or go to sleep. And remember, only use heaters that are in good working condition with a built-in tip-over switch and overheat protection. Stay warm, stay safe, and remember to use space heaters responsibly, because staying safe is super smart.